In this video, we'll show you how to use a really cool array formula to answer the following question. How many unique entries in a range of cells? So our file will be unique temp.xlsx. So we have a list of 5 people here. We've got Taylor listed twice, so you can see there are 4 unique entries. So how would you figure out, if you had like a million rows, how many unique entries there are? Well, this is an incredibly clever formula that's been making the rounds on the Excel internet boards for years. What you do is you say, you type equal sum 1 divided by COUNTIF, the range of cells, comma, the range of cells. Now you'll see what this does in a second, okay? And you do it in an array formula with Control-Shift-Enter. What it does, it says, hey, let's look at Taylor Swift, or Taylor. Okay, how many times do you see Taylor in this range? Well, you see her twice. Then Katie, you see her once. Brittany, once. Taylor, twice. And Lindsay, once. But see, when you see Taylor twice, this counts that as 1/2. So essentially what you're going to get is 1/2 for the first Taylor, 1 for Katie, 1 for Brittany, 1/2 for Taylor, and 1 for Lindsay. So Taylor gets counted twice as a half. So no matter how many times an entry occurs, it gets counted as a 1. See, if somebody occurred 5 times, they would be counted as a 1/5 5 times, as we'll see. So this is really clever. Okay, it's really cool. So you do sum 1 divided by, of course, you could use a table feature to make this dynamic. COUNTIF, and then you do this, and that should say 4. Okay, now how does that work? If I go formulas, evaluate formula, okay, you can see what's going on here. See, it's 1 divided by the array. Okay, Taylor Swift is there twice, Katy Perry once, Britney Spears once, Taylor Swift twice, and basically Lindsay Lohan, I guess, who's been ill lately, I'm sorry, 1. So that would be a 1/2 plus a 1 plus a 1 plus a 1/2 plus a 1. And so you're going to get 4. So you get a 1/2, 1, 1, 1/2, 1, and you get 4. And that's really all there is to it. So now in the remaining videos on arrays, we'll be talking about array functions. We'll talk about matrix array functions, transpose function, frequency function, and that will probably be about it. Although there's some other statistical array functions that we may briefly mention, but I think that's probably beyond the scope of where we want to go. But that's the end of this short video. Next, we'll study the transpose array function.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.